Hello and thanks for joining us again on the UPDF's YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how converting simple PDFs to GIFs can be a nice experience. Make your projects more engaging and eye-catching by watching this video on how to convert PDF to GIF on Mac. Before that, use the link in the description to get UPDF on your Mac. After you get the UPDF tool downloaded, we are going to guide you through the easy process of converting PDF to GIF on Mac. Follow each step carefully and make this process easy for you. Access the UPDF tool and import the PDF file for conversion using the Open File option. Afterward, choose the Export PDF button. Continue by hitting the Image option to open the Options menu. Here, choose the GIF as an image format. Finally, click the Export button to save the file on your system and access it later. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.